Hit me! Welcome to the Home Health Minute, your monthly podcast brought to you by the Home Health section of the American Physical Therapy Association. Hosted by yours truly, Dustin Jones from the Senior Rehab Project. Hello, friends. In light of recent events, I wanted to take the time to read Sharon Dunn, the president of the American Physical Therapy Association. I wanted to read her statement in regards to the American Healthcare Act legislation. This was written on March 23rd, 2017. This is not necessarily an endorsement or us representing Sharon Dunn or the APTA, but just wanted to share this statement that she released on the 23rd. The American Physical Therapy Association has long advocated for access to adequate, affordable, and quality healthcare services for all Americans. Emerging reports from Capitol Hill in the last 24 hours indicate that the American Healthcare Act, AHCA, legislation, which the House of Representatives plans to vote on today, would challenge those principles. In recent weeks, APTA joined with the American Occupational Therapy Association and the American Speech Language Hearing Association to underline the importance of protecting habilitation and rehabilitation as essential health benefits. The latest report suggests that additional legislative changes could be made to the bill that would result in cuts to essential health benefits that are even more severe than initially outlined. APTA also recently has voiced support for Medicaid policies that ensure this country's most vulnerable Americans get the health services they need. As proposed, the AHCA would threaten that coverage and care. In light of these concerns, today, APTA issued an action alert to pivotal House members urging no votes on this bill should the House move forward with amendments that would eliminate essential health benefits. Should it pass, APTA will reiterate these principles to Senate offices next week when hundreds of physical therapists, physical therapist assistants, and students of physical therapy come to Washington, D.C. for APTA's Federal Advocacy Forum. APTA is not opposed to reform of the Affordable Care Act, provided that any healthcare system reform aligns with our policy principles. The rapidly evolving AHCA legislation appears to be heading in a direction that would create unneeded barriers to care and reduce the access to care for millions of Americans. Sincerely, Dr. Sharon Dunn. So there you have it, folks. If this is of concern to you, I highly encourage you to call your representatives. These calls do make a difference. You can leave a voicemail or reach out to them through social media, but just a good old-fashioned phone call still works in this day and age. Thank you all for listening. Hit me! Thank you for listening to the Home Health Minute, the podcast from the Home Health section of the American Physical Therapy Association. Feel free to check out our website, www.homehealthsection.org, to find links for this episode, tons of helpful resources for your practice, and how you can connect with us on social media. Thanks again for listening, and until next time, my friends, do not forget to stay funky. This podcast is brought to you in partnership with the Senior Rehab Project at seniorrehabproject.com.